need your love, babe. Guess you know it's true. I hope you need my love, babe, just like I need you. We could hold me, love me, hold me, love me. Hey, Barry here with song number 33 of our ukulele repertoire. Now I do my best from my heart to you to easy and simplify these songs so that we all can play them and have fun with our favorite songs. Now, the Beatles' 8 Days a Week is an amazing song to play, and I always say there's three things we need. Number one, what are the chords? Let's count through. What are the chords? Do I know them? And number two is what is the actual song structure? And number three is what can I strum to make this sound like music? So let's dive right into it. Number one is we need to know what the chords are. And so straightforward, I've got a little screen up there, and that's going to show you exactly the chords we need. We need a C. There we go. Got a C chord right there on string 1, fret number 3. Or you could play the bar version if you want. Make that for the more accomplished players. Then we've got the F, string number 2, fret 1, string number 4, fret number 2, play the F, and then we've got the D. Now we said we could use this version of a D for a cheat D to make it easier for those who have the concert ukuleles which are small, or you're going to have to bar all of that and place that finger there. You could play that too, but for now this is more than adequate enough to play this song. This is the D, finger 1 on string 2, string 3, fret 2, finger 2 on string 2, fret 2. And you can just play that for the D. And then we've got the A minor, which is just up there, nice and easy chord. That makes it easy if you play it with your second finger to go to the F, which is the next chord. A minor to the F, A minor, then to the D. Look at that change, A minor to the D. And that's about it. Oh, and the G chord. And that's our chords for our little song here. And so we're going to move over to our second part is what? Let's scan through and look at the song structure. This is 4/4. Now the song is not in the original key as it is played in the Beatles' 8 Days a Week. But for me to lead this song and to sing it comfortably for you guys, and I need to kind of change the key. So I made it in the key of C, but also that's way more accessible to everyone, beginners and even more advanced, to find these chords and play them all along. So song structure 4/4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's a nice choppy and upbeat song, so we're going to play nice and fast. Got 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and a 1 E and a 2, which leads over to the third thing, which is this song. What can we be playing? What can we strum? And so you could just go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4. Meaning that you can count eighth notes or quarter notes. Oh, I need your love, babe. And then change on the 3. So, oh, I need your love, babe. Well, I guess you know it's true. Or you could go, oh, I need your love, babe. Yes, and if you're playing 16th notes, then, yeah. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. And if you listen to the song, the groove of this song requires us to play nice and fast, right? And so, yeah, you pick the level you want to work at. And now I always kind of mute on this side of my hand and a little bit there just to give it a little bit of sound. So, oh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. Now I know you want to do the fancy stuff, but you can't do the fancy stuff. You can't decorate the house and give it windows and give it a nice chimney if you don't have a foundation to buy things on. And the foundation is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next level, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Take this on their own, work with it on its own, and then we can throw it into the song. You'll have way more fun that way. I guarantee you that. And cool, that's the three things. So let's dive into the verse. Verse number 1, because we've got a verse, we've got a bridge, and then we've got kind of, chorus and then a bridge going on. So verse verse 1. So 1 and so you choose, you could just do 1 and 2. Now I'm going to just strum 1, 2, and for those who want to do 1 and 2, just hitting the strings on the up, and the others who want to do 16th notes, you're more than welcome to do so. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and D and 4 and F and 2 and C and 4. So it's a quick change. So you're gonna have to do those changes as well, right? So C to D, C to D, C to D. Now if you do C to D 1,000 times, oh, you're never gonna have a problem changing between them and staying time with your friends, having fun playing these songs. Okay, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the C, 1 and 2 and the D and 4 and F and 2 and the C and 4 and repeat the C, 2 to a D and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and half a bar A minor. Hold me, love me. Stop it there. That is the verse 1. Now let's play just that verse 1 through it. 1 and 2 and 3, singing along 4 and oh, I need your love, babe. Guess you know it's true. See, the pulse stays the same. Hope you have your love, babe, just like I need you. And relax. Let's go over to the chorus. Half a bar A minor, half a bar F. This is so easy. You guys will play this in minutes. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hold me, F, love me, A minor, hold me to a D, love me, C, ain't got nothing to love, babe, 8 days a week. And once more again, and 1 and 2, we're gonna go faster, 3 and 4. Hold me and love me, hold me and love me, and ain't nothing but love, baby. It's 8 days a week, 8 days a week, full bar. I love you, 8 days a week. It's not enough to show I care. So half a bar each. F and 2 and 4, and it's 1 and 2. And the G, the F and the G at the last end there is half a bar. And 2 and 3 and 4. Let's go right from the top. Please pause these sections, do one after the other, and then we'll do them like now, the play along here. And from the top, you ready? And 1. Now what helps is if you count kind of in the melody of the song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, from the top, let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Oh, I need your love, babe. Well, I guess I know it's true. I messed it up. Let's go again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Oh, I need your love, babe. Well, I guess know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe. Well, just like I need you. Hold me, love me, hold me and love me. See, got nothing but love, babe. Well, it's 8 days a week, 8 days a week. I love you, and 8 days a week. Now the F, well, it's not enough to show I can. Oh, I need your love, babe. You know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe. Well, just like I need you. Hold me, love me, hold me and love me. Well, ain't nothing but love, babe. Well, 8 days a week. got nothing but love, baby. It's 8 days a week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please take the time and play section by section before you move on to the next. Change those chords, jumping from one to another as many times as you can, because you're going to use it in thousands of other songs. And if you liked what I did here, my art, I appreciate if you first download the song below so that you can have it in front of you and play it. And secondly, if you appreciate what I do here, I accept your giving heart by buying me a beer. And so you will find me more often right here doing these little songs for you. Have a lovely day. Great song number 33, 8 days a week, from the Beatles. Ta-da!